In this video, I'm going to teach you your fix about your Venmo app not loading. So in order to fix with this, I have in here this article from Just Answer that can help us with this query. As you can see, Venmo has been working well until the other day when it says it doesn't have enough money to cover the things that they want to do. So if your app is not loading or if there's some glitches, what we can do is we can head over and then try to give in here what we can actually give. So you need to determine if your Venmo is malfunctioning because of the app itself or with your account itself. So if it's malfunctioning because of your account, you can head over and then account or issue and help or notice on Venmo, reach out to them, then call them in order to fix your account. However, if your app is not loading due to device issues, you can head over and uninstall the application, reinstall this again, and proceed to do this as usual, and you should be able to be good to go. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.